Got it. Look at that. It's ready. All right, now we need to like put stuff in it to pretend there's a bird in there. Here, I got an idea. Get in there. See, it's like a little bird. Okay, I'm gonna make a family and see how they like it in there. Okay. There's one. Gotta get the baby bird. Whatever this is.
The substance in this small bottle that Jerma just threw into the home of these innocent birds was in fact the exact same fluid used to fabricate the face of the house itself. That's right. That was bird stop, otherwise known as methyl anthranilate. It's a fluid designed to irritate trigeminal systems of birds. It is said a single whiff can send any common chickadee, nuthatch, or finch over the edge. Good thing Jerma isn't housing any of those.
Alright, so now there's a family in there. Let's take a look. How is it? Pretty good? I think so. You've just created a perfect home for chickadees, nuthatches, and finches.